Metal detectors are amazing gadgets for treasure hunters and enthusiasts, and they help you locate precious objects like gold, silver, and gems. Metal detectors provide an enjoyable and thrilling activity for people of all ages. Here, we'll be taking a look at some of the best metal detectors on the market today so that you can start your treasure hunting journey the right way. To find out more information and updated price of the products we have mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Like this video, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for future updates. Without further delay, let's get started with the list. At number 5 on our list is the Bounty Hunter TK4 Tracker 4. The Bounty Hunter TK4 Tracker 4 is a well-made, well-performing metal detector with one of the best discrimination controls of any sensor we tested, along with a low-cut filter and a cool high-sensitivity mode that gets rid of most trashy metal. The 8-inch waterproof coil was the longest lasting of any metal detecting unit we tested, and its two-tone audio mode was our favorite. This detector is especially good at identifying high nickel content, and it had the easiest to learn interface of any detector we tested. The pinpoint mode was handy for pinpointing small items, and the all-terrain wheels made the unit easy to move around in less than ideal terrain. Like most detectors, the TK4 is loud but quite loud, so it may not be the best choice for backyard or front yard use. And its limited ground coverage means you have to move this detector over a large area to get good results. Our reviewers got the best results in open fields. There's nothing more frustrating than using your first metal detector and having to hunt through trash to find the treasure. It also detects deeper than most other detectors, so if you're hunting for lost treasure in extreme ground conditions, this is the detector for you. Up next in 4th place is the MIYAY Professional. This metal detector is a great value, and it delivers on all the promises it makes, with impressive performance across various modes. The tone mode isn't as generous as others, and the control box isn't as waterproof as I wish, but the sensitivity adjustment dial makes finding the sweet spot for your metal detector much easier. As advertised, this metal detector's sensitivity adjustment dial allows easy customization, which is excellent for beginners. The headphone jack is another pleasant surprise. While most metal detectors on the market have a single stereo jack, this unit has dual jacks, so there's no need to buy headphones. In addition, the metal detector's 10-inch search coil is a huge plus, and the large, easy-to-read LCD screen makes it easy to read the results of your hunt. This metal detector set can be best for hobbyists or individuals of all ages or exercise to hunt for treasures. The 5 different modes of operation will let you discover gold, iron, silver, brass, aluminum, jewelry, coins, relics, treasure, jewelry, and gold nuggets. The waterproof search coil is sensitive enough to search in shallow water. The intuitive LCD display shows the detection dynamics with the gold depth, intensity, identification, sensitivity level, operating mode, and battery indicator. The headphones minimize any feedback noise from underground minerals. This metal detector set is lightweight and makes suitable for all ages. At number 3, we have Garrett ACE APEX. The Garrett ACE APEX metal detector is well suited for both beginners and veterans, but it's hard to argue. Its efficient control layout really sets it apart from many metal detectors. There are only 3 controls: the on-off switch, the mode option, most models have 4, and the ground balance. The latter is accomplished by pressing a button and swinging the detector in an arc above a buried object. The detector takes less than a second to find its target, and it's inaudible if you're wearing headphones. The Apex has 3 sensitivity modes, from low to high, and we found the lowest setting suitable for hunting coins on the surface, although deeper targets required a higher sensitivity. The detector has 3 discrimination modes: trash, all, and target. The trash setting makes all iron targets inaudible, but targets from silver to gold are audible. The Apex metal detector's most vital feature is its depth of field control, which lets you easily adjust the amount of ground it scans. We quickly set it to the full 8-inch range, and it's convenient when hunting coins or jewelry because the detector can scan the entire target area at once. Most metal detectors scan just 1 to 2 inches above the ground, which allows the sensor to find coins deeper than 1 inch and jewelry deeper than 2 inches. We liked that the detector had a 15-second automatic shoot-off feature, a 10-second audio alert, and a 10-minute audio timeout, which allowed us to walk away from it without a miss. At number 2 on our list is the Minelab Vanquish 440. The Minelab Vanquish 440 offers a lot of performance for the money. While it costs more than most detectors in this price range, it performs at the same level as more expensive machines, and its wide range of detection modes makes it versatile enough for most beginners. We tested the Vanquish 440 in 2 different environments, and it worked great on both. The waterproof V10 coil is sensitive enough to allow us to locate targets with relative ease, and it allowed me to find several coins at surprisingly shallow depths. The custom mode was handy for me, as it allowed me to quickly filter out trash targets and hone in on the coins I was looking for. I also appreciated the clear audio alerts paired with a bright color-coded target ID on display. Another bonus: this detector naturally holds its ground when wet, with the waterproof seal minimizing the need to stuff the machine in a plastic bag to protect it from the elements. The Minelab Vanquish 440 metal detector with V10 10-inch by 7-inch double D waterproof coil is a high-end machine for the serious coin, jewelry, and relic hunters. The Minelab Vanquish 440 is an easy-to-use metal detector that gives you a choice of 4 find modes and a pinpoint mode. The detector is lightweight, easy to transport, and gives you the confidence to begin searching for treasures. And finally, the number 1 on our list is the Minelab Equinox 800. With a max depth of 10 feet, the Minelab Equinox 800 metal detector is the same size as the Garrett ACE 250 the Equinox 800 replaces. The 800's head-mounted display has a screen half an inch more significant than the ACE's, though both are no larger than smartphones, so you can easily read the screen in bright sunlight. The display is bright and sharp, and the unit's menus are easy to navigate. Minelab uses 5 different detection technologies: multi-frequency, multi-sensor, multi-frequency, multi-thes, and Super D. And the 800 also has the survey mode that the ACE lacks. The multi-frequency and multi-sensor modes are the best at finding small targets. The 800's deep discrimination ground balance feature works well, but its sensitivity adjustment options are confusing. The one downside of the 800 is its audio. Its speakers are tinny and lack bass. That said, the 800 has plenty of sensitivity, and it's sensitive enough to dig up tiny targets. For large targets, the 800 is no match for the Excalibur 8050, but the 800 can dig up gold nuggets that are small and shallow enough to fit in your hand. This is the perfect entry-level metal detector for finding gold nuggets and other treasures buried beneath the solid ground. It's also extremely light, so it's easy to carry around and has decent battery life. You will find all the links of these products in the description below. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and share with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, then subscribe and hit the bell icon for future updates.